Hello, it's Brent Sharp with Leverage Lean, and today is Monday, which means it's Macro Monday, and I can't think of a better way to start out your week than being more efficient and effective on your computer. And Leverage Lean is here to help. Let's go to work. All right, thank you so much for taking time to view this Macro Monday video. It is March 16th. It is 4:04 a.m. Leverage and Lean is focused on improving computer processes by leveraging programming and applying lean principles. It is our goal to make you more efficient and effective on your computer, producing less clicks and more results. To see some of our content, just visit leveragelean.com. All right, the macro coming out this morning for Macro Monday is combine multiple workbooks into one. If you're using Excel and you're doing a lot of exporting of information, maybe exporting multiple files, this macro will help you combine and copy all of the information from those multiple workbooks into one, allowing you to have one spreadsheet and one source of information. This macro is great, maybe if you're an actuarial or accountant doing a lot of data analysis. All right, and Tuesdays are my insights, and this week's insight is a lumberjack with a chainsaw. Just think of how powerful it must have been for a lumberjack that was using an axe to then be given a chainsaw. But this isn't just about a spinning blade. There are so many additional benefits to automation that I'll talk about in this insight. Just think about automation on your computer. It's not as simple as just reducing the amount of clicks on this mouse. There are so many additional added benefits to think about. Wednesdays are my quick wins, and this week's quick win is update multiple spreadsheets in Excel. You can use the combination of Shift and click or Control and click to select multiple spreadsheets and then make updates to one, which will make updates to all. Excel looks at this as you're selecting a group of sheets, and it's going to match the updates. You're either removing data or adding them to all of them at the same time. Finally, Thursdays are my tutorials, and this week's tutorial is email merge in Word. If you've done mail merge, just think about it going to another level, and instead of producing letters, you're producing emails. This is a collaboration across the big three applications, Excel, Outlook, and Word. You're generating a spreadsheet in Excel, which is going to populate those emails in Word, and then Outlook is going to send them all out. This is great if you're sending a large amount of emails to multiple recipients. And finally, keep in mind, I don't expect you to aspire to be a programmer or ever have a desire to be one. That's why I created my macros with you in mind, where you can customize them to meet your unique needs. If you have your sights on bigger projects, just shoot me a DM and I'll build a macro for you. All right, well, I'm gonna wrap up this Macro Monday video. Thanks so much for your time. Stay awesome. Thank you so much for taking time to view this video. I really do appreciate it. If you want to do me another big favor, please subscribe to stay updated on any new videos that I'm posting. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, connect us on LinkedIn, check us out on Instagram. Stay awesome.